this video, we're going to go through the process of creating a maintenance record. In order to create a maintenance record, we have to first make sure there's a few other modules that's been set up and configured. Once you get to your Station Boss back office here, click the maintenance record. From there, make sure that your apparatus, equipment, stations, and your hydrants are all set up. If you don't intend on doing maintenance records on some of these items, then you don't have to worry about setting up that specific item. The next thing to do is scroll down to your data settings and then scroll down from there to maintenance activities. You'll need to go through and set up all your maintenance activities on this page here, whether this be oil changes or pump tests or rotate tires and so on. During the setup of this, it's going to ask you the interval. The interval is going to be how often this actually repeats. Once that has all been set up, go back to your maintenance and select the maintenance tab here. Now we're ready to create a maintenance request. So let's say one of your guys are getting back from a call and they feel a wobble in the tire, let's just say. They would need to go in, create the maintenance record by clicking that button, leave it in pending and review. They will assign it to whoever is responsible for that specific maintenance of that vehicle, I guess you can say. Select an engine. If it's going to be for a piece of equipment, hydrant or station, then equipment, for example, once you hit that up arrow, it's going to show you a list of all your equipment and so on. But for this test, I'm going to go ahead and just keep it based on the engine. The request date and time is going to default to now. You can enter in whatever your mileage is if you choose to. You're going to select your maintenance activity. So I don't see anything here regarding, well, here we go, we got a tire replacement. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Once you do that, just go ahead and hit the save button. And now that will show up within the maintenance record. So you'll see pending review. The person responsible for that can go in. They can mark it as reviewed. They can complete it. Once it's completed, it's going to show up the completed details tab down here at the bottom. From there, they can select the date the maintenance was done on it, on the specific item, how much it costs, who was responsible for it or who was in charge, any personnel that was available working on, or that was actually present at the time of working on that. Now if this is a vendor, then you can select that, and instead you would actually select them from the vendor module. And then a description of the maintenance performed. This is a very important field because you want to make sure that you're documenting any maintenance for the sake of any future lawsuits that your department may be looking at. And then of course the maintenance documentation, here you can attach any invoices, work orders, and so on. Once completed, just hit that save button and it will create that from there.